You've been in the industry for over a decade now. I'm sure you've seen so many different changes over the last decade in the maintenance and reliability industry. What stands out to you as some of the most impactful changes you've seen over the last 10 years for this space?
Yeah, so I mean, as we've talked about, a lot today, are these continuous monitoring systems. So as we've increased our safety standards and added more shielding and guarding to our assets, it's really made it challenging for folks to get to the test points to do their condition monitoring, to run their routes with the traditional handheld instruments. And so that's made us all have to kind of think on our feet and come up with solutions. So, we started with sensors, and then from there, putting these continuous monitoring systems in place to make it easier to still monitor those assets, especially those critical ones, and allow folks to still get data and know where their equipment is in their life cycle. So that's been huge. I think just the amount of data that we're able to acquire has obviously increased, which can also be kind of a bad thing sometimes. I think we can get a little inundated. So trying to find our way through what data is actually important, what do we need to be listening to, especially as it comes to ultrasound. I think that's kind of been navigating all of that and trying to find a way. I think one of the things that we see a lot is, there are all these really cool new technologies. You've got the virtual reality and augmented reality and these really cool things we're seeing. And I think those are all really neat, and they're gonna have a place, and some of those technologies already do. But I think trying to help still maintain practical solutions for our customers. Not everybody's ready to dive into some of those really cool futuristic solutions. So they're still trying to find a way to kind of move the needle and move people closer to those, but with practical solutions that they can get approval for and have the funding for and understand how it's going to impact their operations.
Yeah. So what I heard was, we're starting to see this shift from handheld condition-based monitoring tools to now continuous-based monitoring.